Good morning, my lovers. I'm back out on my dream field and I got a lovely signal down here. I reckon it could be silver. It's a lovely banging signal. $12.44. Could be silver. Could be. Where's it to? It's on. Ah. It's over here. Oh, what's that there? Looks like a coin. Oh, yes, it's a coin. Oh, is it going to have anything on it? Is it going to be completely wasted? Right, give this a quick rub on the magic trousers and I'll get back to you. No, unfortunately it's completely wasted. On to the next. God, this was a dead iffy signal on the surface. Really was iffy. But now it sounds pretty good. Whoa, 47. Yeah, 35. Right, we'll see what it is. Oh, that's why it was iffy. It's one of them. It's a musket ball. You always give off dead iffy signals, musket balls. Oh, let's cut the sprue off. Right, lovely jubbly. On to the next. Oh, we've got a lovely signal here. Oh, hitting right there. Could be a hoard. A hoard of 50,000 silver coins. Yes. Oh, right up in the top corner. Could be something really nice. Ground's a bit drier here. I can kneel down. Right there. Ooh, what's that there? Oh, it's a big thick coin. It's a good big thick one. Ooh, what's that? Really thick. Right. I'm going to get this cleaned up and I'll get back to you. Oh, there she blows. It's a 1697 cartwheel penny. You can just about see his head there. This side's a bit better. Just about see Britannia. Yeah, it's a penny. I've only ever found one 2-penny. I've plenty of these, but only ever one 2-penny coin. Right, on to the next. Oh, I got a sweet signal here. Right there. Could be a nice coin. Hopefully, not completely crusty-fied. Oh, actually a coin at the moment. $12.43. Definitely a coin-like signal. Right there. Right there. Oh! What's that? What's that there? Ah, it's one of those things. It's one of those things. It's got a bit more on it this time. Oh, it's a lock. That's what those things are then. These funny shaped things. They're locks. Right, I'm going to let that dry out carefully, because this one's in quite good condition. Yeah, that one's in not bad condition. Right, I'm going to give that a gentle clean up and get back to you. Yeah, I've cleaned it up as best I can. But it came apart. See, there's a little hinge, or maybe what used to be a hinge. There's a bit of decoration on it. And it came apart, and there's the mechanism inside. Simple mechanism. So yeah, that's what those things are. I've dug those up before. Obviously without this plate on, and that shape. And it clicks back together. Yeah, that goes in there. Oh, there. So that's what those things are you keep finding. Little locks. On to the next. Whoa, 12:22. Ugh. 11:21. Could be a hammy. Could be. Hopefully. Oh, yeah, a hammered coin would be nice to show the landowners. Nice to find a hammered coin for them. It's still down the hole. Yeah, it's still down there. Right, let's get you round this side. It's a bit windy today. Right. Yeah. Where is it to? There's a banging signal, should be just here. Oh. There it is, right there. Right, let's see what I got. Oh. Well, that's a nail. It wasn't that. Oh, where's it to? Oh, I'll have to get back to you when I find it. God, I thought I had a hammy then, but no, it's not. Glinting. Turned it over, look, there's a pesky shank. It's a pesky button. I thought I had a big hammy, but no, it is a pesky button. Ugh. Oh, I got a nice signal here. Oh, it's a bit loud, but it has been gusting, very windy. I got a job to hear the machine. Oh, yeah, very windy. $12:30 and it's in the clock. Right there. What's that I felt? Oh, there it is. It is. Is it a piece of cack? Oh, no, I don't think it's a piece of cack. It's a piece of something. Right. Let's get some better light on it. Right, what is that? It's got two little notches there. It is a thing. It's definitely a thing. But what sort of a thing? I don't know. Right. On to the next. Go look at this banging signal I got here. I reckon I got a coin. Oh yeah, great big coin. Go look at the spade wobble in the wind. The moment I go and say that, it stops doing it. Oh, yeah, it's gusting in the middle of this field. I'm I'm gonna have to find some sheltered soon. Gonna have to find a sheltered field. I've had enough of this wind. Oh. $12.34. I reckon it's a coin. Oh, what's that? Is it a piece of cack? It is. It's cack. Look at that. It's a rolled up tube of something. Oh, what does that say on there? It says something. SNESIS-BS. It's upside down. Right. SENS. Whatever that is. On to the next. Well, this was giving me a banging iron signal. Ugh. Do you know what it is? I do. Ugh. It's one of them. Shall I give you a clue? Obviously, it goes on there. And it's what you don't want to buy when you go metal detecting for the first time. Steel toe caps. On to the next. Oh, we got a lovely signal down here. Don't know. Ooh, 12.21. Could be a hammy. Could be a hammered coin. Right there, right there. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's not another pesky button, is it? It is. I think. Yeah. It's some sort of stud. Don't think it's a button. Ugh, right. On to the next. Got a big gourd. Oh, 12.36, 46 rather. Could be a big chunk of silver, or it could be a pesky buckle, because I think I can see it here. Is it a pesky buckle? Yeah, me thinks it's a pesky buckle. Not a particularly old one, not like that Saxon one I found the other day. 900 years old. Right, on to the next. God, I got a banging signal just here. $12.20. Let's turn that volume down a touch. $12.19. I don't think it's going to be a hammy where I am. It's possible, I suppose. It's possible, but it'd be an unusual place if I was. Right. Oh. Really loud, that signal though, isn't it? Really loud. It's like, dig me, dig me. Oh. I can see some fruit. But that's about it. Let's try that. 12:20, still a good signal. Right, it's in here. Right there. Oh, what's that? I felt something. Felt something. It's a rock. It's right here. Oh, what's that? What is that? What is that? Pass? Is it part of a lock? I think it might be part of a locking mechanism. That twist? Possibly. See a twist? There might. There's a little tiny keyhole there. Look. So yeah, some sort of internal locking barrel thing of a lock. Methinks. I've had to come to a spot where I've been out of the wind because that wind was really starting to annoy me a bit. Like I couldn't film very well because of the gusts and it was a bit awkward. So I've come to a bit of a quieter area of the field near the front gate. So I'll probably find lots more trash, but you know, there could be the odd silver coin here because it's near a gate. So keep your fingers and toes crossed and we might find something. We've got a lovely signal down here. Oh, 12:21. Could be a hammy. It's either a hammy or a 20p piece. Yeah, I reckon it's more likely to be a 20p than a hammy. Oh yeah, 12:21. Perfect hammy signal. Perfect. So where's this 20p? Let's move the stand back a bit. Might be picking that up. Yeah, that's what it was. It was picking up the stand. Oh, I might have to put a new battery in this pinpointer. Seems to be not working as well. Oh, right, let's try it the old-fashioned way. Right, let's rip a bit off. No, it's not in there. No. No. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Right, let's move you back over there. Let's get the detector. Oh, it's down the hole still, is it? Ah, there it is. There it is. Oh, what do you think? Is it going to be a hammy or a 20p? Oh, it's a 20p. On to the next. Oh, we got a signal down here. Don't know. Oh, don't know. Oh, it's banging signal. Banging. And it's out somewhere. It's down here. Oh, it's in there. Oh. Right, can we see a rim? No. Oh, what's that there? Oh, what is that? Oh. Oh. I thought it was going to be something unusual then. It's got a hole in it. It looks very crusty, like it's seen better days. Right. Yeah. Whatever that is. Looks like pewter. Yeah, I think it's pewter. Pretty crumbly. Let's give it a rub on the magic trousers. See if there's anything on it. Nope. Right, on to the next. Oh, we've got a signal down here. Silver. Oh, silver would be nice. Yep. Oh, starting to feel a lot like pub time. Yeah. I've had the cobwebs blown out of me in the last few hours. It's certainly been gusting today. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm looking forward to the summer. Yeah, be nice and warm. Oh, what's that there? It weren't that a great big nail. It's still down there. Let's get you down the hole. Right there. Nope. Right in there. Let's get you over this side, get a better view. Right, it's right there. You tell me when it pops out. Has it popped out yet? Can't see it. Oh. Oh. Right. Oh. Right, it's down here somewhere. Is that it? No, it's not there. Oh. Oh, it's in my hand. Oh, what's that there? That feels heavy. Oh. Oh, I can see a rim. I can see a bit of a rim. Oh, let's get some better light on it. I can see a bit of a rim. Right, let's crack it. Oh, there's the impression. Oh, good day to you, Mom. That's a nice looking coin, isn't it? Right, let's see what the date is on this one. 1870 something, looks like. Oh, it's gone mucky. Right, let's give it a rub on the magic trousers. Is that 1873? What do you think? Looks like 1873. I wonder what happened in 1873. World events, you know, what happened in your country. 73. Then there was quite a lot going on in America, wasn't there? They're having a war of independence, so that was earlier. Yeah, lovely jubbly. On to the next. God, I got a banging signal down here. Oh, what's that? Thimble? Thimbles don't usually bang that much, but it could be a big un. A good big un. Oh, it's a banging signal now. Oh, I can see something. I can see it, methinks. that right there? Is it a bridle ring? Oh, if it is, it's a squashed one. It's a squashed bridle ring. Or is it a bridle ring? Is it something older? Could be a really old buckle, possibly. Or a bridle ring that's been squashed. Don't know. On to the next. Well, this signal was a bit iffy on the surface. It's right there. Oh, might be making this my last hole. Oh, I'm pretty tired. Oh, what's that down there? Oh, thought I saw something. It's there. Whatever it is, it's here. Might use the spade instead of me finger. Oh. Oh, is that a bit of dark soil? I got it out. Yeah, I think I got it out. Ah! Oh! Is it going to have any meat on it? Give it a rub on the magic trousers. It's looking toasted. Oh. Yeah, it's looking pretty sharp. Right, if there's anything on it, I'll get back to you. Unfortunately, it's completely wasted. Nothing on each side. And that's how I feel at the moment, completely wasted. Right, I'm going to pack up now and head off to the pub for a few jars of ale. Oh, I'm getting closer to the bike, I'm getting closer. I'm about 200 yards off from the bike and I got a signal. Ooh, don't know. Oh, a nice bit of silver to the end of the day would be lovely. Oh, gold, preferably gold. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, feeling pretty tired now. 6 hours non-stop. Oh, right, can I see anything? No. Let's kick it open. Give it a kick. Oh. No. It's disappeared. The signal has disappeared, which is great. It's right at the end of the day. That's all you want, isn't it? Right. It's down there. Oh, what's that? I just flicked out. Oh, it's a buckle. Did I see the internal guts fall out though? I thought I did. Yeah, there you have it. The internal bits, or some of them. Yeah, there's the internal bits. Like that. Right, on to the next. Oh, that's it, me lovers. I'm shattered. I'm going to head off home via the pub for a few jars, obviously. Yeah, it's been pretty windy all day today, and I've had enough. I'm going to. Oh, it's gusting again. It's gusting. I'm heading off to the pub. Oh, Oh. Cheers.
My true love, and gently drops the rain. I have never had but one true love. In greenwood he lies slain.